Well, guys, welcome to my isolation stories.
Tell me what you know about sloth.
Just heard a frog a minute ago. It sounded big. God.
Thinking of shit? You're not even a thought.
Guys, I'm so gonna lose my account. So make this worth it.
Jutta. Tja. Hur?
Next attention, guess the noise. I think you got that one, didn't you? I don't think that was quite right.
19:27 Uhr. 19:28 Uhr. 19:37 Uhr. 19:41 Uhr. 19:43 Uhr. 19:47 Uhr. 20:07 Uhr. 20:11 Uhr. 20:37 Uhr. 20:43 Uhr. 20:57 Uhr.
Good morning. I know I want to turn my goddamn pajama set, but literally, it is what it is. These are like different days. Sometimes they're different days, sometimes they're the same days. Anyways, I wanted to let out far for you this morning. The morning I have been the most gaseous, so. My fucking god, this is so embarrassing, I swear to God. The tank's empty, the gas tank is empty. No, I swear to God.
I'm about to go into Taco Bell and order like a bunch of food and then go home and eat it. Also, let's check out the toilet.
So I think I discovered the Canadian version of a Dutch oven. I farted in my parka like 10 minutes ago. And it's still, the smell is still coming up. It's warming my body though, so that's good.
This is the 10-second fart challenge. Personally, feeling very confident about this one. Got my stopwatch ready. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Yes. Right. 4 seconds. It's gotta be a record. I stopped it a bit late. Call that 20 seconds. I'm exhausted.
I'm gonna fart in this duck call to see what sound it makes.
These beans really got me going.
If that's not real, how can I do this?
I can fart in command.
Okay, do it. Command or on command?
On command.
I